you wanna know what's the best vinyl to use for your car. Whether you're a beginner or advanced installer, you wanna know, like, which one is really gonna make it to where it is comfortable to use for the installer and it looks great for the client. Well, I'm here to break that down to you. Wait, hold up. You didn't even subscribe to the channel yet? If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click that link now. Here are 10 of the best car wrapping vinyls of 2026. And this is my opinion. I don't care what you think. Other installers be like, yeah, bro, dude, you forgot one. Okay. Let's go ahead and get to it. And I'm starting from number 10, Oracal. It's number 10 on the list for a reason, because it's really good on colors. It has a lot of colors to choose from and everything. But I really like to use their commercial side, you know, 651s? Yeah, 651s and everything like that. These are the 970s and everything like that. These are the different types of models in this. This is trying to be more of the cast vinyl and everything like that. I just don't like how it installs so much. It comes out very clean, don't get me wrong about it. But the first time I used this was probably about 4 years ago. I had one of my previous installers who I taught how to wrap. He's like, hey man, I've been using this, I like it a lot, it works very well. And I was like, let's see. And we tested it out, it was good. Let's say this, it was good on the vertical panels. Well, horizontal panels such as the hood, the roofs, the trunks, it stuck a lot harder. And it was the summertime, so it was really sticky. But the overall look on it, it looked great. Now, price point on this one, it's in the mid-range on this one. It's not too pricey on this one. Let's get to number 9, Hexis. Hexis, I don't know, like, I like them. Now I do, that I understand. I had to take a class on it, and I took a PPF class. I know this is vinyl, but the PPF class actually explained a little bit more on how to use this vinyl, because the first time I used this vinyl, it was on a Can-Am Spider. We wrapped this woman's vehicle or her Spider in a pink, let's see if I can find it. Found it already. This pink, as you can see, all of the glitter in it and everything, it looked great that first out. And then it started peeling up on the edges, and we didn't even overstretch. And that's where I was like, hey, I can't use Hexis if it's gonna keep doing this. So Hexis is good, wide variety of colors. And they even have their PPF, which I like better, but you can see hundreds of colors. And I get all those clients like, hey man, can you send me all the colors? Are you serious? You think I'm gonna send you all of these colors? You better tell me what color you like. Price point on this one is also in the mid-range on here, but it does get a little pricey when you get to the chromes. Now, if you feel like you want me to test out any of these vinyls, comment which vinyl I should test out below, and I will create a separate video just for that. Number 8, now we're getting into some good vinyls right here. Ravoony. I do not have the swatch deck or the color sample book for this. So Ravoony, if you're watching this, send me one. I got you. I will make a whole nother video. And if you haven't seen the video, click on the video before that I recently made of the review of Ravoony. It is a pretty good vinyl, not the best for beginners, because you may struggle a little bit more. But the colors, the textures, and the finish, overall look on it, grade A in my book. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's a thicker vinyl, and it has some of the same qualities as the previous ones that we just talked about in number 9 and in number 10. So Ravoony, you could move up in the ranks, but right now, yeah, there's some better ones out there above you. Now, number 7 on the list used to be my go-to for really exclusive colors. They've moved down just because of the quality of the install on it. Teckwraps, not even gonna joke with it. Teckwraps is great on colors. The best colors I used to see in a while. When I first started in 2019, I seen so many gorgeous colors that they would have. I wanted to try their chromes. I'm glad I didn't, but they got so many colors. All of these colors that you see here from Teckwrap's website is great. Now, inside of Teckwrap's, I can say this. They have some vinyls that are very good and easy to install, and then there's some ones that's just super difficult. You don't even want to touch them or think about wrapping with it. Let's get to number 6 now. Now, this vinyl right here, Raxtify, is really good to work with. It has some great colors on there. And what did we do with that one? We wrapped the Lexus. It was a midnight purple. Oh my goodness. That Lexus, when it first came in, it looked a little, but the vinyl made it pop. And most of my installers was very pleased with how it actually turned out. Mind you, my installers are really meticulous on what they like to install with and what they don't. And that's why I'm making sure that this list is well equipped for people that are true car wrappers, beginner car wrappers. This is for everyone. Now we just got into the top 5. Vinyl Frog is one of the newer companies, and I got a chance to actually wrap with this one, and I was very pleased. I had a lot of mixed reviews. A lot of people were saying it's thick vinyl, it sticks very hard, it's not as forgiving. Let me explain what I used it on first off. It was on a Dodge Charger wide body. They wanted the wide body panels on this. It was like a more of a vibrant purple, and we had a Batman theme with it, and then we did some accents with it on there as well, on the hood and the front bumper, and it looked great. Very easy to install with, very forgiving, air egress features. Now it did have some parts where it did trap air, but hey, I could tell they're still new at this, and I was very pleased. impressed. So was the client. And we're gonna keep using this one too, because I wanna get a little bit more. So Vinyl Frog, if you're watching, you know what to do. Now, number 4, I used to use a lot just because it was one of my personal favorites because I liked it so much that no one really knew about it. So I was kind of gatekeeping on this one. It's KPMF. And KPMF is a really good vinyl. The trick to this one is the longer it sits, the stronger it sticks. And it is a really good vinyl, lasts long and everything like this, but sometimes it was hard to get this vinyl on hand. It's not really out there readily available as much as the other brands are. So KPMF is still a good one. That's why I got it at number 4. Now we're in the top 3. Tinybot, great colors. And now the reason why I like this one is because we recently installed this on one of my cars because I was not about to put this on a client's car and then have them pissed off at me just because I wanted to test out this vinyl. And I got Halo and I put it on my Hyundai Genesis and I took it down to Florida, and the amount of reviews that people told me and loved about this color, I knew it was a hit. But that was just on a client standpoint. What about on the installer standpoint? It was even better. I was like, oh, wait. You can tuck around edges just by heating it? So in these areas right here where you're seeing where the door meets the next door, all I had to do was just heat it up and it started laying down in there. I didn't have to worry about anything happening to this vinyl. And that's what made me love this vinyl even more. Now, if you want to learn how to wrap cars and you can't afford to come and join in a personal class, one-on-one, or even in a group class, you can always take our online wrap classes. So that way you can get hands-on training virtually. So why haven't you clicked on joining on our online wrap class? Number 2 is 3M. Great colors. Price is a little bit more pricey, but the quality of this vinyl, oh my gosh. The features on this to install with, oh my gosh. So easy to deal with. Yes, a little strong tack, not that much compared to the past 8 that I've been explaining to you. This right here is a little bit tacky, just a hair, just enough for a beginner to lift it and reuse it as needed. But I can say this vinyl color selection, incredible. And the printed version on this, oh my gosh. Anytime a client comes to me, a company comes to me and they have a fleet of cars and they already have it designed and they just want to send us the graphics and they already have it printed and they're just sending us the graphics, I'm telling them to give us 3M because 3M comes out with new colors every 3 to 6 months and they have the best types of install. This is number 1. This is red chrome made by, you know it, Avery Dennison. Now this is the most expensive vinyl there is, especially for red chrome or just chrome in general. $3,500, nearly $4,000 just for the vinyl. So if you mess up, you better start going ahead and just reconsidering your decisions in life because you don't want to waste $4,000 worth of vinyl. Come on now. Avery Dennison made my life easier. And I even took a class with Avery Dennison. Shout out to Justin Pate. He may not know me, but he will after this. I took his class and I learned so much. Avery Dennison, it was one of the best classes that I've ever taken. It was the first class that I've taken. But I can say this, there's small flaws in it. I'm not here to bash their company on this. I'm here to talk about the vinyl. Let me tell you this one. I'm gonna break down a lot of stories in this. Great stories, actually. So first off, this story on this one right here. I had a guy come out, reach out to me. He's like, hey bro, I want red, but I want this one. He sent me a picture and I was like, that's red chrome, bro. You sure you wanna pay for red chrome? That's like a $10,000, $12,000 job. He's like, just send me the invoice. I said, hold up, on the way, because I knew I was gonna get Avery Dennison. I didn't wanna get KPMF. I didn't wanna get 3M. 3M only has one color in chrome. And I definitely didn't wanna get any of these other brands that I just never really used so much. So when I installed it with this one, I already knew the complications that came with this. If it creases, you can't get the crease out, and that goes for all chrome. And if it gets overheated or overstretched, it cloudies up and you can't fix that. So I understood that and I was up for the task. I made sure that it happened. And the reason why it's back in the shop, now mind you, I'm gonna tell you the straight up truth, is people parked next to this guy's car and they just kept dinging his back doors. They just, every time, boom, open it up, boom, oh my bad, sorry, my bad. And so he would be pissed off, and then he finally came back to us and we made sure that we got all of this handled and we made sure that it looked great. Avery Dennison does not have all of the vinyls costing $3,500, almost $4,000. That is also Avery Dennison. That's a satin vinyl that we're using right there. Satin metallic to be exact. And it is great. The tack is super light. And as soon as you squeegee with it, it just glides. Even with it being chrome, I was super satisfied on how well the installation went on this. And so this will always be my number 1. It's gonna be hard for you to take down my #1. 3M may be the only one that could possibly do it, but Avery Dennison, you got it. So if I did miss any other vinyls out there and you're like, hey bro, what about this vinyl? Can you even test it out? Like I said, leave a comment in this video so that way I can explain it to you. Whether it's good, whether it's trash, or whether you should just reconsider and just buy another type of vinyl. And in this video, if you want to learn how to wrap cars, I think you should watch this video right here. It's gonna show you step by step on how to start your car wrapping business as a beginner from zero.